How to fix YouTube comments not showing up. So this issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for YouTube and then move into this app. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date, and this might be the reason that you're having the issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the latest version of the app, now the next thing you want to do is simply open the application YouTube. Tap on You at the bottom right corner of the screen and then head over to your channel. Proceed to one of the videos that you have posted. Once you are in here, move into the comment section. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. So over here you have to make sure that the option of comment is turned on. Well, if it is turned off, then it might be the reason that you're having the issue. So make sure that the comment is turned on. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix YouTube comments not showing up. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.